Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Precision Manufacturing System. I'm back with another interesting video regarding the DEM particle generation and another video of our DEM series video. And in this video I'm going to talk about piecewise linear function in particle generation, DEM particle generation of ABAQUS software. I have actually a recommendation for you guys. If you didn't watch our previous video regarding the DEM particle generation, I highly recommended you guys please first go and watch those video and then watch this new video, because those video would create a strong fundamental knowledge about the DEM particle method, and then you will get a better understanding about this new function. So actually, before getting started the video, I really grateful if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. It could be great motivation for us to create more video for you guys. And please hit the like button and stick around until end of this video. Okay, first I will explain a little about the piecewise linear function in ABAQUS. A piecewise linear function, density function, can be used to approximate general distribution that are not well represented by the other PDF forms. With a piecewise linear probability density function, you specify PDF value at the discrete points. ABAQUS consider linear variation in the PDF between these points. Actually, we got several email and posts and comments about how we can generate different radius particle with different distribution, but with one inlet. If you remember, in our previous video where we used normal distribution, and we had two different, actually two inlet for generating the particle, but in the end actually we use minimum and maximum radius and mean and standard deviation for normal distribution for generating particle. But in piecewise linear function, we can generate different particle size or particle size with different distribution, but with only one generator or one inlet. We don't have two or more generator anymore, and we can by this method we can generate different different particle size and different distribution with only one inlet. So as you can see in this graph, for if we assume we have an x and a y axis, and in this case our x axis would be radius. So for each x axis point, we should specify a value of probability of y axis. So actually we can specify 5, 10, or whatever you want, and you should specify the probability for for x and point. And as you can see, we specify 5 points as our radius, and specify a number and a probability of each radius. And it is necessary to consider and note that about this issue, that the area under the combined distribution must be 1, and if it exceeds from 1 or less than 1, you will get an error in ABAQUS. So for this simulation we consider 5 points, and in each for each points actually we specify a probability function, and as you can see we use one inlet in our simulation, and at the end the generated distribution will be like like this one, as you can see in the picture. It's similar with this arbitrary particle size distribution, and if you guys need more detailed information, you can actually use ABAQUS documentation for DEM method, and you can use and read this article to get more information. In input file, the only things that will change from the previous one, you should actually change the type of the function. In previous one we use normal, but in this for this case we have to use piecewise linear. And if you remember, and if you watch this our previous video, you will see in this section we use minimum radius and maximum, and mean and standard deviation. But for this one we actually use probability function for the radius, and the probability function of each radius. So we have 5 points and 5 probability function for probability distribution for each point, and the rest of the actually input file. And as you can see, we just have one inlet and particle generation. If you compare this input file with the previous one, you simply figure out the differences between this one and the previous one. So I explained about the differences between this input file and the previous one, normal. And since the simulation takes a long time, so I already done the simulation, and I just show you guys the result of the simulation. Okay, as you can see, we have only one generator or inlet, and if we remove the die and punch, you will see the generation of particle. As you can see, we have different actually size of particle, and they are creating with only one inlet. This was for this video actually. Thank you being with me until the end of this video. If you guys find this video helpful for you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the like button, and share this video with your colleague or friends if it could be helpful for those guys. And thank you for your support. Bye bye.